So my name's Adam. I'm full-time in property, sitting on some savings at the moment, but at the same time I coach football on the side. So I live down in Bournemouth. I coach in the academy for AFC Bournemouth. So yeah, it's cool.
And what made you want to join the academy?
So I used to play football. I used to play professionally and semi-professionally. So I've always had some sort of different drive. I fell out of love with football through things I couldn't control, and I wanted to step into something where I could control it. So as I was falling out of love with football, I came across property. I came across Samuel, and the more I looked into it, the more it grew on me. I transitioned away from football, and now I want to go into property.
And tell me about the people on the academy, like the mentors, Samuel, the actual people on the academy itself. What's it all like?
So I was speaking to a few of the new members this morning, to be fair. I think for me, you get out what you put in. So if you go to the mentors with your problems but your solutions, they'll help you loads. I think it comes from a place from everyone wanting to bring each other up as well. So I think the mentors are great. But as well, if you go to them and whine and moan a little bit, you're only asking for one kind of answer. But if you go in a constructive way, and that's exactly the same with all the other students, if you go and you ask them for their advice and what they did when they were in that position, and ask from almost like a place of abundance, you're going to get loads and loads of help.
And what about the networking, the people that meet on the academy? How's that?
It's huge. I think you pay your money and you get all the resources, you get all the education, the mentorship, all of that, the networking. I think the networking is priceless for me. I think, again, you get out what you put in. The more conversations you have with people, the more interest you show, and the amount of people that you can speak to as well, at all the different inner circles, I don't think you find that anywhere else, to be honest.
And final question would be, would you recommend something like this to somebody who's looking to get into property?
Yeah, 100%, because I think for me, I signed up because I wanted to be educated, but at the same time I wanted to be mentored. And I think you get both of those things in abundance. So I think if you're looking into property and you want a helping foot, I don't think anyone should look anywhere else, to be honest.